Hello guys, I'm here guys. I'm back. Are you with me, Anthony? Are you in the chat? Please do type your name in the chat so I can see who is available with me so I can continue the stream right now. Okay. Thank you, Anthony, for calling me master. um I'm not actually master, but we have to see the charts, what the charts are saying. Right now, I'm seeing our first target is 56,222. We will be taking profits around 55,900 or 800, somewhere to that these levels before the targets. You can scale out your trade if you are taking your scale if you are taking your trade. If you are in the trade, then you must scale out your at least 35% or 40% profit from here, and then you can keep keep on the trade to the 61,000 levels. But right now what I'm seeing is we are forming another shark pattern, and if I told you what I've seen in this chart, what I've seen in this chart is hold on a second, let me share. If you guys just see in the statistics panel, okay, as you know that we are forming another shark pattern. Okay, this is the shark pattern on my screen, just at the 61,000 levels. If we get some kind of rejection, then this pattern will be a, let's say, a bearish pattern from here. But what I'm seeing on my chart is, if you see on the statistics panel, this is the shark pattern. Okay, and on the shark pattern, if you see on my on the right side of my screen, that we have found four shark patterns in the whole 4 hourly chart. And whenever we form the shark pattern, we always hit our target. As you can see, none of the trade has been cancelled or stopped into the stop loss or cancelled. They all touch their targets. They all. Right now, it is respecting the shark pattern is respecting the charts right now. As you can see here, we formed a shark pattern. Okay, and the target was somewhere to these levels, or somewhere to 49,000 levels. Okay, that is bearish pattern, bro. That is not bullish pattern. That is bearish pattern here on the 61,000 levels. If you see on my screen that if you see four targets has been hit. Whatever China thinks, I don't care about them. What I do care about is the charts. So I can see that four of all of the shark patterns has been hitted on the targets. If you see our previous price data. Let's see, bro. If we got rejected from somewhere here, then we will have some different thing. But right now what I'm seeing is, if I open the chart on the 1 hourly, okay, and then I go with the CPR levels. I would like to go first with the daily time frame, I would like to calculate the things first. I want to calculate when and where that CPR is going to open. Okay, let me calculate it. Hold on a second. I will take on my screen. This is the calculator. I will check the highest and the lowest thing. Okay, let's say we hit the 54,700 on the highest levels, and I will plus that amount to the lowest one, which is 51,294. This is the thing. Okay, and it will be divided by 2. Okay, 52,997. So you can say it 53,000, and we are right now $1,500 far above from these levels. So I think after the new day candle appears, so it will start, so it will have to come back to the CPR level. So it will come back to the 53,000 levels. It will drop down back now. So I can say that for today, I guess the targets have been done right now. We will be touching somewhere from here, somewhere to here. Let's say I will mark my another horizontal line. So these will be my targets where these levels will be coming. This is my target. So it will get rejection from here now, as we are on the resistance line right now, and we have not crossed that yet. We have been rejected here. Okay, you can see there is a resistance line now. Okay, so I will see if it starts going further upside, then I will wait for that. But for now, what I'm seeing is it will come back down to 51,000, sorry, 53,000. So it will be a good opportunity to go short for the 1500 margin. This is what I'm seeing on my charts. Bro, this is my calculation. You can use your own calculation on this, but this is what I'm seeing on my chart right now. The new CPR will come here, will take the price to here, these levels, or somewhere these levels. I'm not actually saying that this will be my price levels where it will come. It might come here or come here. So these will be my 3 levels. You can say the price will fall somewhere to this level, or maybe in the center of these levels. So you can see, and we can wait around 2 to 3 hours to see if we are going to touch these levels again. Bro, I can't actually say that we are not going to uh, come back down. It's pretty hard. Okay, it will be 56k by the end, the time you end this video. I hope it can, but right now the charts are not saying that this will come back down. It is showing something like buying signal here. Okay, let me see. Okay, as you can see that it is on the 15 minutes time frame, the wave trend is already in the overbought territory. Okay, and this is the overbought territory, as you can see. So what I'm seeing is it will come back down to here. That's my price prediction for next 3 to 4 hours maximum. Yes, lots of money could be in the cash. Okay, I'm not totally declining your thing, but this is what I'm seeing on my charts right now. Bro, it will be coming back down. I'm damn sure about this. The every time the CPRs open somewhere here, then the price have to come back down there. I will be shorting if the price come if the CPRs opens from here. I will be shorting from wherever it is. I will be shorting from there, from wherever the CPR opens. Okay, I will be waiting for around 28 minutes, and then if the CPR opens in those levels, in these areas, then I will be shorting. You can mark. I'm marking those levels, bro, for you. These are my levels. Bro, this is actually how I trade. Okay. I will stick with my chart analysis, and thank you, Anthony. But this is what I'm seeing in my charts right now. I can see the 24 minutes. It's saying the deep crab thing, and you can see there is a pattern there too. The entry point is this one. Okay, and this is the target area. Okay, and this one is the second target. So I won't be going with that much low. This will be my taking profit area. I will be taking a profit here at least. Also, you can see that there is a butterfly pattern. A lot of the patterns are showing, you can say, like bearish patterns on the charts. So that's why I'm saying that I will be going for shorts for sure, because the CPR will be opening in these ranges. So the price will have to touch back down here. Okay. So do let me know if you want me to take a look at any else asset, so I can go with that. Right now I'm seeing 90 minutes chart, 1.5 hour. On the 1 hourly chart there is no pattern, and as I have already mentioned that we have found Gartley pattern on the 4 hourly charts, and that has been played out already. Okay, bro, charts can trick you. Could be, but as you can see that I have mentioned that we have found a pretty good Gartley pattern on the 4 hourly, and that played out already, which I mentioned yesterday when everyone was saying that we are going to get crashed, and I was bullish at that time. So you can see what happened. That's not the bear trap, bro. I'm not taking that much shorts, but I will be shorting for $1,500 maximum. Okay, so I will be going with your Engine coin. Engine was my favorite when it was in the cents. When that was in the cents. Okay, so for ENGN, bro, everyone was the pencil necks were almost bearish. But I was saying that this is the point we would like to go with the bullish side. Actually, bottom was not actually 52k. That was around 50k, 50k, 50,500 approximately. So that was the time when these levels were bottom. So upon the confirmation, I got into the trade, and I took my trade on the 51,500 once the CPR levels start appear, and then I go with the I took my long, and then I've gone to sleep just to make myself rest. And then when I just wake up, that pattern has been played out. So I took my profit already on the 53,800. Okay, I'm out of the trade right now. Hold on a second, N3. Um, I'm on AFK right now, doing something on my screen, on my another screen. Hold on a second. Okay, you can trade opposite to me. That's your opinion, but I will be playing with my charts, and I would like to play with my charts. But I do trade upon the confirmations upon of the CPR, because CPR has always saved me from a lot of let's say losses, and I've made some decent gains through the help of CPR. It pretty helped me. Okay, and I've took the ENG. Okay, let me take a look on the bigger picture. Let me remove the CPR, and I would like to see on the daily time frame first. Okay, you can say there might be the symmetrical triangle on the daily. It could be, but not actually. I would like to go with the shortened time frame to see if is there any kind of harmonic pattern in the charts. Okay, it is looking into the some kind of descending triangle, I guess. This is the thing on the 16 hourly time frame, and this is the buy signal here for the ENJ. If we are going to break this, then the price target will be somewhere around that's simple. The symmetrical triangles are pretty simple in the trades. Let's say if we are going to break somewhere here, then we will be touching back again the all-time high of the ENJ. Bro, I've traded ENJ coin when it was somewhere here. Okay, when it was in the 60s and the 17s, I traded it from here. Okay, because I will show you something. Hold on a second. I forgot the pattern. Okay, so we have another Gartley pattern, and that I guess has been played out. Um, the charts are looking good right now. It's in the symmetric, descending triangle, you can say. Not actually descending, or it's look like a simple triangle. And if we are going to the upside breakout, then we have the target of these numbers. But I don't want to set another all-time high. I will be blocking it with the previous all-time high, and then if we will be taking some half of our profits here, and then if we pretty easily breaking these levels, then we will be going our trade with the half of our position. Okay, it seems to be bullish, bro. It seems to be bullish. This is the breakdown just because of Bitcoin, I guess. This is the breakout. This is the breakdown just because of the Bitcoin. It was the Gartley pattern. Okay. If you are going to break this symmetrical triangle, then I will prefer you to take some of your concrete targets. Let's say your 40 to 50% position, you must have to scale out here if you are going to get some resistance here, or if you are getting upside or proper confirmation upside to these levels on minimum 30 minutes or 45 minutes chart, then you can go with more position left. You can say you will be taking 50% of your profit here, and then you will if you see that this is going to it has potential to go upside more, then we will be going with our position with the 50% remaining. Okay. Okay, the price target is $3 0.9 cent, $3.09. Okay, this will be the price target if you are going to break these levels, this triangle. Okay, this is for the ENJ. If you are going to break this down, which I am not right now seeing, is because it has already double bottomed here, so it must have to jump outside now. We have the proper support. Okay, we can see a lot of support here, and we have this was the consolidation time. We jumped up from here, then back came back down. Okay, and we have the Gartley pattern on the 4 hours, on the 4 hours. Okay, if you are going to break upside, then I will be prefer to take your targets somewhere before the last all-time high. Okay, which is somewhere around $3.09. It depends on multiple exchanges, different exchanges. The price may vary. Okay, if you are going to break down, then the targets will be somewhere back to these levels, 87 cents. But what I'm seeing on the 87 levels, I have another pattern on the 87 levels, which is hard bullish, pretty hard bullish. We have another Gartley coming in at the 1.55 cents levels. This will be the buying opportunity. If you are going to, this is the breakout here. If you are going to get some support here, then it's a Gartley pattern. Then we will be buying from here again for the upside. And what I'm seeing, another thing is on my chart. This is the bad thing. This is the damn bullish. If it is going to break the damn hard, then we will be seeing, as you can see, my symmetrical triangle is saying that if we break down here, okay, somewhere here, then we will be having a bad pattern. If I see a bad pattern on my statistics chart, we have already formed one bad pattern on the 8-hourly chart, and that one hit the target. Okay, so as per my statistics, the bat is the pretty much bullish than the Gartley one on the 6 hours. We have this Gartley on the 6 hours and the bat on the 8 hours. Okay, anything else you want me to ask, you can ask Anthony. I can switch to the Filecoin. Filecoin is also in my favorite list. Okay, file is playing out, bro. If you missed it, then you have missed the train. Okay, so you want me to look at the Ethereum too? Okay, I will be looking into that, but I will be going to look something in the Filecoin first. This was the back pattern here on the 1 hourly chart, and that has already played out. It has blasted from $74. It has already blasted from the $74. This was the harmonic pattern on the. Okay, bro. So if you have bought on the 92 cents, then you might be a multimillionaire right now. You might be multimillionaire. Okay, so I would like to see if anything going bearish with the Filecoin, because as we don't have much data on the Filecoin, so I can't exactly say what is going on with this one. Okay. Okay, so you have bought on 92 bucks. Okay, but the pattern has formed on the 1 hour. Okay, there is a pattern. Okay, that was the dump pattern, I guess. That one was the dump pattern. Okay, on the 1 hourly, I can see that we have Filecoin, and this is the pattern. This is the pattern which I have already played out. This is the pattern. This is the bat pattern. Let me change the color of it, bro. Hold on a second. This is the bat pattern on the $74, and we are upside from here to the $125. But what I will be looking at, I will be going with the CPR charts on this one to see where we are going. Okay, so for today, Filecoin has been played out. Okay, and we will be reversing from here to, let me give you advice on this. Okay, hold on a second. I will show you something. I will share you something which could be good for you. Hold on a second. I will take my calculator another time on my screen. What I will be calculating is, I will take the highest price, and that is 129.8. That is the dollars. Okay, and I will be sum it with 88.3, and it will be divided by 2. Okay, so price will go back down $20, or you can say $15 from here. Okay, so the new CPR will be starting from here. So if the day starts, the new day starts in let's say in 11 minutes, then it will be a good shorting opportunity on the file too, because every market has already played out on the bigger perspective. I guess Filecoin has done its pumping. The thing has already played out, but we can see some good opportunity to short it from here somewhere to here. We just have to wait. To start the CPR, and then we will be seeing that where we are going. Will our CPR starting slow? Wider one or the narrow one? If it's going to start the narrow one, then the price will come back to this one, these areas of let's say these levels. These will be my levels. The price must have to come back down here or somewhere here, you can say, because we have the support level here. Is my sound a bit higher than my voice, Anthony? Okay, I would like to go with the day on the daily first. Okay, thank you. Okay, on the daily we don't have much data, as I can see that we have already, I guess, found. If I take it on the daily, let's say from here, hold on a second, I will draw something on the daily first for the Ethereum. Okay. Okay, so ETH is playing something, might be on the hourly charts, not on the daily ones. Okay. As you can see, Anthony, we have another Gartley pattern. Sorry, the cipher pattern this time, and I will see the cipher pattern statistics on my chart, and that is saying that we have hit the target to. We have found five patterns, five cipher patterns on the 10 hourly time frame, and we have already hit the one time. Okay, but I would like to go with the CPR to see how long we are going to upside. Okay, this might be the target area. From here, we might come back down somewhere here, I guess, or somewhere here, as we have the support here. This is my spider line too. Okay, I will go on the shorter time frame more right now. As you can see, as you can see on my screen, Anthony, mm, we have found a back pattern here. Okay, we have found a back pattern, and you can see on the 4 hourly chart we have found two back pattern. Okay, and we have hit it on the one time, and the other one has not started, because this indicator shows the entry points too. Okay, I would like to go with the 1 or 2 hour one again. Double bottom is not good enough. Okay, as you can see, I have a pattern. I have a pattern, bro. I have a pattern which is saying me to enter from 1683 till 1623 to 24. This is the entry point. Let's say this is the entry point, and this might have to be the stop loss area, and this will be the target area. Okay, can you see my screen now? I will be looking at the Bitcoin now. I think I have cleared you your specified coins. If you want me to take a look on any else asset, then you can let me know in the chat box. I will be waiting more 5 minutes, but Anthony, would you believe me if I say you something about the charts, what I'm observing on my charts right now? Um, yes, it's on the 55K, but has been rejected from the 55K. But I don't, I do think there is something going on with this one this time. Could this be a this thing, and then rejection, and then play out? If you just take a look on my screen, what I've drawn, could this be something like this, inverse head and shoulder, or because what I'm seeing is a proper rejection on the 4 hourly charts. Also, it could be a minor rejection, but I'm seeing some kind of rejection. I will open my extra charts now to see what's going on with the footprints. Hmm. Huh. Okay, so I can see the price might have to come back to 54,000, and so I will take these levels to these ones. The price will be falling from here to here. Okay, very soon. I will wait. FPS, T size, red short longs, ladder, cluster, 20. This is the maximum price reach. Bro, it's just a game of probability. You just have to wait and see what I've told you. So don't worry. Don't worry. What I've mentioned is inverse head and shoulder in the 4 hourly time frame. Okay. So we will be back testing our 1 day chart pattern too, because we have broken into the wedge yesterday, and we haven't back tested this one. We must have to back test before going up south. Okay, so the back test will be somewhere around 54,000. Okay, bro. No worries, bro. The money is yours and the risk is yours too. I'm damn confident it will come back to back test. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. No worries. I will be back to you guys in 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. So enjoy the music. I will be back to you.
when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.
very poor.
Okay, so we are seeing some selling pressure, guys. As I have already mentioned in the live stream, that we must have to come back down to retest at least these levels or these areas. Okay, a lot of people are shorting now. I will wait. Charts on my screen already. Okay, guys. So on the 1 hour, we are seeing some selling pressure coming in. The whales are shorting now. You can see these three candles of last 15 minutes. In last 15 minutes, the selling pressure was creating. Anthony, are you with me on my screen? I'm seeing that are we going to break this support, which is 55,130? If we are going to break that support, then we will be coming to somewhere to 53,200. Okay, Anthony, so are you available on my screen? Can you type in the chat so I can see that you are in the stream? Okay, cool. Let me check the chart. I will go with the hourly one. Um, just in the last, I will go with the daily first to see if there are any kind of pattern available in the charts. Okay, so no chart in the daily right now. On the daily, I can't see anything much, but what I can see is a head and shoulder pattern, I guess, which is the bearish. Let me tell you. This is the head and shoulder I can see on the charts, and the target should be somewhere around this bottom, I guess, but right now it has already upside. Let me check. Okay, so it just bounced from the side where it might should have to come down, but I guess it's not coming down, I guess, right now. I will go with the shorter time frame. Okay, so if this is cipher is here, one cipher has reached the target, another cipher was taking is taking the target from somewhere to $30 to 37 one. Okay, and the another target is $45. This is the this is the 6 hourly chart. Okay, this is the pattern. This is the bullish pattern in the green one, and as you can see at the statistics panel, the cipher just hit the one target, which is this one and this one. As we don't have pretty much area, we don't have much data in the forecasting. I'm sorry, I guess we have. Okay, hold on a second. We are on the resistance one. Okay. This is the resistance. We have been bounced from here. And this is it was a different company then. Can you tell me the current price of the marathon company which you are saying? So I can take the exact company. What I can see is Marathon Digital Holdings Incorporation with the $36 price right now. If this is not the one, then you can just let me know what the price is, so I can search again. I think I've opened the correct website, because they are saying that they have the price range. Yeah, that's the company. Okay. Okay, yes. This is the right now what I'm seeing on my charts is that we are facing some kind of resistance here, okay? And this is the support here. You can say this is the support, as from where we have bounced already. The support is 23. They were a patent company, and okay, that's fine, but they have the, hold on a second. Okay, it's fine. I will go with the 1 hourly chart. Okay, as on the 1 hourly, we have the price target same with that. The price target is somewhere around this $37.79. Okay, as we have almost this is the resistance. Okay, but if we broke the resistance, then we will have $45 next target. This is in the 1 hourly chart time frame. Okay, I'm not over yet. uh, I'm telling you what I'm seeing on my chart. I can't tell you what I'm not seeing on my chart. So I'm not done with the chart analysis yet. This is just the one indicator which I am seeing on my charts right now. It is saying that the target is for this pattern is 37.79, and the next one will be the 45 one. But I would like to go with the CPR one now to see what's going on with the market. Okay, as I can see on my CPR charts. Okay, what I'm seeing on my charts is we have reached the target and we have been rejected 1 2 3 thrice, and we are just trying to break above this 36.909 level. Okay, as we have been rejected here, and this one too, and now we are trying to break out, but there is no breakout yet. That's a harmonic pattern. I will go with some more lower time frame. Okay, yes, we are testing the resistance now. Let's see if we broke this one. If we are not going to broke this one, then we will be back down to 33. Okay, Okay, so as you are saying that it's gonna work with Bitcoin thing, then for now I can see that Bitcoin is getting rejection right now, as I've told you, but I'm not sure on the Bitcoin right now because the market sentiment is neutral right now for me. Not everyone is bullish like you. For me, the market sentiment is uh, neutral, but I will open the market. Hold on a second. I have an indicator called. I have an indicator called fear and greed. Okay, so market is in the bullish for this one. I guess this is not the one. Thank you, bro. It's not. I guess it's not my test actually. I've told you what I'm seeing on my charts, so I can't tell you something which is not available on the charts. So it's better to tell you the truth uh, than something from which you can face the loss. So I told you what is exactly my couple of indicators are saying. But I'm trying to find something pretty good for you in the charts from where you can see some kind of potential trade, whether it will be for the upside or the downside. So I'm trying to find something more concrete for you, so I can give you advice on that. Hold on a second. Sure. I was using fear and greed indicator, but right now it's not showing me. Let me go with the website called hold on a second, fear and greed index. Bitcoin. I haven't checked yet, but as you can see, I'm opening up the fear and greed index on my screen, and as you can see that we are in the 65 territory. As you can see that we were neutral yesterday, and we have some greed coming up and took our levels to the 65. Okay, but I will call this 65% will be like neutral, because I'm not seeing some potential players coming into the trades right now. Not big bags are working in the bitcoins right now. They are waiting on the sidelines to to make any proper opportunity to come into the game with the big bags. As the money flow is in the green territory, there was a buy opportunity at the $32 level. Are you with me, Anthony? Anthony, are you available on the stream now? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so as I can see that we are facing some resistance, some big resistance on the 45 minutes chart and the money flow index in the red, but there is nothing pretty good coming in the charts of the 45 minutes. I will switch to the 1 hour time frame. Let me see what I'm seeing. Okay, this is something, the money flow is going up, and this is going upside. Okay, on the 1 hour, one, two, three candles. Okay, so one, two, three. Okay, so what I can see is on my chart that the money flow is converting into the green territory, or right now it is showing that it is taking curve to the green side, but I'm not sure that will it be able to take into the green territory. So let's say, if I will say you that if we are going to break this resistance, let's say if we are going to break this one 37, approximately 37.86, if we will break the 37.86, then it will be good to hold it until 45 45.25. So it will be a $6 gains approximately. Sorry, not 6 actually, it will be around $8 or 7 point something. Okay, thank you, bro. If you want me to take a look on any else asset, then you can let me know, bro. I do like to analyze some altcoins too, but as I can see that the market is performing bearish. As you can see that on the 1 hourly chart, I told you that the market has to reverse, and it is reversing. Uh, you were saying me here that we are going to break upside there, but I as I mentioned here, this is my price target, which I told you that we will be facing some resistance to these areas. You can see. Can you see, Anthony? Yes, I am on the Bitcoin chart already, and I've told you that as I told you that we will be facing some resistance at the 55,800, and as you can see that we have reversed from that area. Okay, I told you approximately 1 to 2 hours ago. Approximately, I told you that we will be reversing from these areas, and as you can see that we have been coming down. What I mentioned there is that we will be reversing when the CPR will come here. Okay, I can see that we are facing some resistance here, as I've mentioned earlier. That it will be my I've already mentioned my target of the resistance, as I've mentioned in the live stream, that this will be my resistance target area from where we will be seeing some rejection. And as you can see, I never told you that we will be coming directly back from there when I started my live stream, but I told you that these will be the areas from where we will be coming back downside, and we are coming down. And what I'm expecting is we will be touching to those levels, let's say 54,400. Okay, if we successfully bounce from here, then we will be going for the upside. Then if we fail to bounce here on the 54 400, then we will be coming back to somewhere around 800, and furthermore to 53 1 53 200 approximately. That was my price range, as I have already mentioned in my stream, as the support area. This will be the support area. If we are going to break this support now, or somewhere in coming hours, then it could be lethal for the Bitcoin, because right now the market is neutral. Okay, so what I'm saying is it's the do or die time for the Bitcoin, because we are still in the, I guess, hold on a second, let me check. No, we have breaked out from this parallel channel. Okay, I've already created this panel too. You can see we broke out from here. You can see, and we back tested to these areas, and we are railing upside. But what I'm saying is, um, this will be the price area. If we successfully break these levels, then for sure we are going back up to somewhere here, 60,000, or somewhere to 61,000 approximately. It's a probability game, bro. So no one can actually predict the exact price action.
turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.